Welcome back, YouTubers. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, I've been really ill for the last few weeks. Been feeling a little under the weather. Just after getting the booster shot, sometimes you just don't feel like yourself. But today I got a package in the mail from BeebeeCrafts. And this is like a collaboration, sort of. They give you supplies, and you make something with them and do an unboxing. So today is the unboxing of BeebeeCrafts. I'm super excited. So I love doing things in different. I'm just all around like doing different stuff. I always like something different to change and to figure out what else I can do besides just sew and paint. And so I picked up a few things that I thought that would push the challenge for me. It's not my first time doing transfers or silk screening. It's just been a very long time. I did some silk screening back in my day, so I thought this would be really interesting to get these letters and I can put them on some wood or on a t-shirt. I just thought they'd be interesting, so I wanted to see what they were like because I want to get into chalk couture. Um, just haven't had my moment to buy anything with being so busy with my job and trying to feel better. So, and that's one of the reasons I haven't shot very many videos. So let's get on to this. These transfers, I'm going to cut them apart and I'm going to lay them out. Maybe I'm going to do a t-shirt or maybe even a wood sign. I think that would be very interesting. And then I love doing resin. Um, right after I got out of the hospital in March, um, I saw that these nurses had these tags on that they put their badges on. And for some reason, one of the nurses that was waiting on me when I was in the hospital, hers broke. And I was like, well, that'd be really nice if you had one personalized with your name on it and stuff. She goes, yeah, I'm still a nurse and, I'm going to school and trying to, she just told me her whole life story. And I thought that was really amazing. And I thought, I can do stuff with resin. It can't be that hard, right? It can't be that hard. So I looked into it, bought some stuff. All the nurses that were on the floor that took care of me, I made badges for them. And it was my first time ever doing resin. And of course, there is always a learning curve with stuff that you do. But I was super excited that I did it. And I just was, amazed by how beautiful and the finish was. So when I saw these on BeebeeCraft, I've always wanted to have a keychain with my dog's name on it. Her name is Coco, so I thought that'd be cute. And then I also saw it had um, an an Irish symbol of the knot, and I thought that would be pretty too as a keychain. I know a lot of people that are Irish. I am Irish too, and the funny thing is, I'm shooting this video. I'm doing this video at 2 a.m. because it's the quietest time in my house with nobody, you know, awake. So I'm doing it at that time. Um, the other thing is on this, my son is the biggest Batman fan I have ever seen in my entire life. And when I saw the brass knuckle thing with that I could do in resin and it had Batman, I thought, oh, that'd be so cool for my son because he is the biggest Batman fan. And that would be something that he would just cherish. Not really a keychain, but it is so cool. And my son is 30, and he probably would think that'd be a really cool idea to have a novelty. And I decided that I wanted that too. So, all things aside, we're going to make some really interesting resin stuff in the next two videos. Like I'm going to make some Batman resin. I'm going to do some keychains. I'm going to use those letters and put their names in them and personalize things. I'm not really a glitter person. You could see that I just got out the lint roller and rolled that stuff up because I hate glitter. I hate it when it gets all over places. I need to buy me a vacuum. But the lint roller does pick it up, and I really, really love my lint roller. So just remember there is links below to everything that I have shown in this unboxing. Also, there is a coupon code for you if you want to buy something from BeebeeCrafts. And also, here's even a better one. If you are a YouTuber and you want to make crafts and show an unboxing and do two videos, there's a link below for that too. So that way you can do what I'm doing on your YouTube channel. And I am all about sharing and caring for everyone. And if you can do it, I know you can. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. And it's all about enjoying what you do and inspiring others to do the same. And that's what I'm here for. And I enjoy making these videos, even though I haven't done any for like a week. I am super proud to have you guys as my subscribers and my friends. Thank you very much for being part of my video, and there will be more, so many more that I have not. I've done them, but I haven't made my video clips for them. But I will be doing that this weekend, and I'll be streaming them out over the next couple of days. So look forward to seeing you guys real soon, and have a blessed day. And remember, you can do it if I can do it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put